Hey guys, Will here again. Gonna give you a little bit of a different kind of video this time. It's not necessarily gonna be on guns. It's gonna be more on fishing. Summertime's here already, and people are going to the lake. I figure, hey, why not break out all my fishing rods and reels and everything like that, and give you kind of a tour of them. So, first thing we're gonna start out with is our bait casting rods. So, the very first one we have is a Shakespeare Excursion Series graphite. It is a 6'6" medium heavy action. Sitting on it is a Abu Garcia Ambassador 5500 series baitcaster. It is the open face, or is the round style. Does not have the thumb bar, but it does have the push button. Right there is your push button. That's where you can rest your bar on. So that's the first one. The next one is a Falcon original, medium action. I believe this is a 6'6". Yeah, this is 6'6" as well. Sitting on this rod is a Abu Garcia Ambassador 5000 series in the real pretty red. You can see these two side by side. I just love the way the light bounces off of that red right there. It's very pretty to me. Okay. And this reel was actually a present from my grandpa. He actually just passed away recently, and he gave me this reel. So it sits on this Falcon rod. Thirdly, we have the first rod and reel that the first rod I ever bought with the first reel I was ever given. This is a Shimano B101 mag. Set up left-handed. I actually prefer to fish left-handed. It's on a guide series, a little bit cheaper rod, guide series, tournament bass. It's supposed to be set up supposedly for spinnerbait. It's a medium action spinnerbait rod, 6 foot 4 inches. Okay, so there's the reel right there. There's the rod right there. That's one of my bait casters that are actually set up left-handed also. Next thing we have is a ugly stick, Shakespeare ugly stick. 6 foot rod, medium action, 820-pound test line on it, and we have the Shakespeare Sigma baitcaster reel. Very cheaply produced reel. However, I have caught quite a few fish on them. And I love these ugly stick rods. I mean, they're great. Take a leaking, keep on ticking, like they used to say. So this is the reel right here, and then this is the rod. Just a 6 foot Shakespeare ugly stick. And last but not least, a little combo that I have. This is actually a two-piece setup, as you can see. It's on a Shakespeare Synergy. It's medium action, 6 to 12 pound line on a Shakespeare Axiom low profile baitcaster. There's the reel right there and right there, and then here's the rod, broken down in two pieces and then put together. And this has actually 8-pound test on it. I use this for ripping a top water across the top. You know, that's that sort of thing. It's just something where I can real light, where I can get into a lot of places with it. This one is extremely sensitive tip. Extremely sensitive tip. So that's what I use that one for. All right, guys. Well, so far you've seen my bait casters. If y'all stay tuned, here in just the next little while, I'm gonna actually put up all my spinning reels. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to post a comment. Thanks.